Ferrari enthusiasts and supercar lovers are always waiting for the next big thing from Maranello. For those who can't wait for the upcoming Ferrari 296 Versione Speciale, Novitec has a thrilling alternative. Introducing the Novitec Ferrari 296 GTS N-Largo, a customized version of Ferrari's electrified supercar, delivering more power, a more aggressive design, and a wider stance, all in a topless package that turns heads wherever it goes. The Ferrari 296 GTS is already a highly capable plug-in hybrid supercar, but Novitec takes it to another level with their N-Largo tuning kit. After their successful debut with the 296 GTB N-Largo coupe, Novitec now offers the same modifications for the 296 GTS, resulting in a car that is both fiercer and more stylish. The design enhancements, which include a carbon fiber widebody kit and larger wheels, give the car a more aggressive stance while retaining Ferrari's signature sleekness and elegance. Designed by Vittorio Strosek, the N-Largo bodywork significantly increases the car's width by 120 mm at the rear, improving both its appearance and aerodynamics. This wider stance is complemented by additional vents and intakes that enhance airflow, crucial for managing the increased performance of this modified supercar. The redesigned front bumper features a sharper splitter, and for those who want an even more dramatic look, there is the option for an exposed carbon vented hood, adding an extra flair to the front end. At the rear, the N-Largo stands out with its striking ducktail spoiler. However, for those who prefer a more aggressive rear end, there's the option of swapping the ducktail for a fixed rear wing paired with a new diffuser. These modifications not only improve the car's looks, but also its downforce and overall aerodynamics. The side profile also gets a makeover, featuring redesigned mirrors and custom Novitec NF11 NL forged alloy wheels by Vossen. These wheels are available in 72 different colors and come in sizes of 21 inches up front and 22 inches at the rear, adding a custom touch to the car's overall aesthetic. As for the chassis, Novitec has lowered the ride height by 35 mm, giving the car a more planted stance and improving its handling. An optional front lift system ensures that the car's carbon fiber splitter survives speed bumps and other obstacles without any damage. The result is a car that handles beautifully on the track and is still practical enough for the road. Under the hood, Novitec has focused on enhancing the 296 GTS's already impressive hybrid powertrain. The car's 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine now produces an additional 38 HP, bringing the combined output of the hybrid system to a staggering 856 HP. While this increase in power is thrilling, Ferrari's own 296 Versione Speciale is expected to surpass even this performance upgrade, with rumors suggesting the factory model will come with weight savings, improved aerodynamics, and a sharper chassis. But the excitement doesn't stop with the car's looks and power. Novitec ensures the 296 GTS N-Largo sounds as fierce as it looks. The signature exhaust system, which can be crafted from Inconel with 998 fine gold plating, features dual tailpipes adorned with optional carbon fiber rings. This exhaust upgrade enhances the car's soundtrack, making the 296 GTS N-Largo not only a visual masterpiece, but also an auditory one. The Novitec Ferrari 296 GTS N-Largo is the perfect solution for owners who want to dial up the aggression and style of their Ferrari supercar before Ferrari's own Versione Speciale hits the market. With its jaw-dropping looks, increased power, and an unforgettable sound, this hypercar is poised to be the star of any event it attends. If you're eager to hear the roar of the Novitec 296 GTS N-Largo, keep an eye on the videos below. And with Ferrari's 296 Versione Speciale expected in April 2025, the competition between Maranello and Novitec is sure to heat up even more.